In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to use the Gale eBooks database. The Gale eBooks database essentially houses our reference collection online. So even though we're not in school, you can still get access to our reference books using this platform. It's fairly easy to search for what you want. In our search box, you can type the name of the work that you want to know more about. For example, maybe you want to know more about the lottery. Notice how when I start typing, it's going to give me some suggestions. So the first one is the correct one. It tells me it's a short story, so I'll go ahead and select that. And you can see that it has pulled up some different ebooks that might have some information for me. So we have Literature and Its Times. This is one of the ebooks, Short Stories for Students. There might even be a reference in this mythology book. Now, the series that I really like is this For Students series. And we have short stories, we have the For Students in poetry and nonfiction. So when you see this For Students, that's a really good ebook series. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the title right here where it says The Lottery. This is going to take me right to the chapter in this book that's all about the lottery. So you can see that it's starting on page 139 of this book. Again, there are lots of different works included in the short stories for students. So we're just interested in the chapter that talks about the lottery. One of the advantages of using an ebook is that we get some of the tools that go along with using an online database. Some of the most helpful include being able to increase your font size. So that makes it a little easier on the eyes. You also have the option to listen to the article, so that's really helpful. You can save this chapter to your OneDrive. You can download it. You can print this chapter. Also, we have access to the highlights tool and the notes tool. So if there is a particular sentence or section that you want to make sure you have access to again, you can highlight it, you can add a note, and you can get quick access by going up here to highlights and notes to see what you wanted to remember. Another advantage to using the ebook and going right to the chapter is that we can get a citation for the book itself. Notice how this citation is going to, you can get MLA, APA. For your English class, we want to make sure we use the MLA citation. So I can select, here's my chapter, The Lottery. It's in the book Short Stories for Students. We have our editor and our volume, and notice it's even giving us how we accessed our ebook, which was through the Gale eBooks platform. So we can select our citation, we can copy and paste it, and have it go to our works cited page.